Hi, I'm Hizami. Whoa, that's a lot of snow. Let me open the door so we can take a look. It won't open. I'm filling in for Aiman with live coverage of day 2 of the Nemo-Charlotte snowstorm. As you can see, the snow is very high. Have you ever seen anything like this? It looks like somebody's already outside plowing the snow and the sun is out. So let me suit up to go outside. It's really cold outside, so now I'm going to show you what to wear. I'm already wearing socks, long sleeves, and thick pants, but I still need to wear more. First, I put on my overalls. Next, I'm gonna put on my jacket. And zip it up. Now I'm gonna put on my hat and my gloves. This down. And then I put my hat on my other glove. Now I'm gonna put on my boots. First, I unstrap them. You also have the option of wearing a scarf around your neck. But if I wear a scarf, I wouldn't be able to talk. Now that I'm all suited up, I'm gonna go outside. Look at that! The snow is higher than the steps. Looks like I'm gonna have to shovel it first. Wow, the snow's even higher than the fort I bought last night. Look at the snow on top of the garage and on top of my dad's old truck. It looks like the snow is 3 feet deep at some spots. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and the sun is out, but the wind is still howling. It looks like my dad can't get to the garage to get the snowblower, so I'm gonna have to dig my way there. Now I'm gonna try to clear the snow. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do it myself because my brother Aiman is napping because he stayed up to 2 o'clock a.m. last night. Speaking of Aiman, I'm so proud of him because last night his YouTube video about storm preparation was shown on Inside Edition. Let me start shoveling so that my dad can get to the garage. See how deep the snow is? It looks like I'm gonna have to dig a trench. It looks like I'm about halfway to the garage. The snow is really deep, so I dig it up in layers. I take the top off first, and then dig the next layer off, and then the next layer until I get to the bottom, and then I take some breaks. The sun is very as you can see, my face is very red. Kids, if you're shoveling the snow, you should take lots of breaks. Like in a couple minutes, I'm gonna go inside and drink some hot chocolate. Be careful when climbing stairs because they are very icy and slippery. Right now, I'm taking a break from shoveling the snow and drinking some hot chocolate that my mom made me. Yummy. Now, my break is over and I'm gonna get back to shoveling the snow. Yay, finally, I finished the trench. Now my dad can get into the garage to get the snowblower. Let's take a walk back through the trench. For the millions of people that haven't seen snow in their whole life, I'm pretty sure this is a very exciting event. I've been in West Haven all my life, and I'm still excited about this snow. I spent like 3 hours playing with the snow yesterday, and I'm gonna play with the snow the whole day today. Now that my dad can get to the snowblower and clear the rest of the snow, I'm gonna clear the rest of the steps. This is it for now of day 2 of the Nemo-Charlotte snowstorm coverage. Hi, I'm Hizami. Thanks for watching, and please watch the rest of our continuing coverage. Bye.